Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy payment solutions with PayPal step by step clearly. To deploy payment solutions with PayPal, start by creating a PayPal business account. Visit the PayPal website and click on the Sign Up button. Choose the business account option and fill in the required information. Verify your email address by clicking on the link that PayPal sends you. Once verified, log in to your new PayPal account. Navigate to the dashboard where you'll find various tools and options for managing your account. Next, set up your account by inputting business details, including your business name and address. Link your bank account or credit card to your PayPal account for transaction processing. When your account is ready, decide on the payment solutions you want to implement. For online stores, use PayPal's API for seamless integration. Visit the PayPal developer site to access the necessary APIs and documentation. Choose between different integration methods such as REST API or PayPal buttons. If using REST API, create an app in your developer dashboard to obtain your client ID in secret. Copy the API keys and securely store them for use in your application. In your website or application code, include PayPal's SDK to integrate payment functionality. Follow the API documentation for the specific programming language you're using. Begin with the basic setup by creating payment requests within your system. Test the integration in PayPal's sandbox environment to ensure everything functions correctly. Perform transactions using sandbox accounts to simulate real payments. Once confirmed, switch your application from the sandbox to live mode. Return to your PayPal account and ensure all settings are accurately configured for production. Implement necessary security measures, including SSL certificates and secure coding practices. After confirming the deployment, monitor transactions via your PayPal dashboard. Periodically review and adjust your payment solutions according to business needs and user feedback. Stay updated with PayPal's latest features and compliance requirements to ensure optimal performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.